we are very excited to present to you today.
Oh! JD!
Blue, come here. Come here, you want this ball? Hey, this ball's seen better days. There's no way that there is enough things. This is really, really light. This is $140? Oh, wow. They're really small. I found these on the internet and I was like, those are sick. We have to do a video out of them.
Whoa!
They're literally for a robot. It rolls this way and this way.
Aaron, you got bamboozled, man.
Wait, look at this though.
I have a prediction for what is about to occur.
Tell me.
We're gonna set them up, we're gonna stand on them, we're going to be too heavy, and the omnidirectional aspect of these wheels will not work.
Okay, we need a really, really small Allen key.
Oh, I like this one. This one's probably my favorite. My dog used to chase people on a bike a lot. It got so bad that I had to take his bike away.
Because the dog was on a bike.
You broke him.
Okay, so they say GTF robots, which I guess means good to fork robots, and it has omnidirection. So it's going this way, spinning this way, and this way. So if your robot needs to go like this and then parallel park, it just goes like that.
Wait, look at good to fork.
I say that about my dinner every day though.
He's like, dang, look at that thing, good to fork it.
What's wrong with you? Nigel, would you consider these wheels good to fork?
What do you mean by that?
GTF on there, what do you think that means?
Good to fork.
Okay, you see? It rolls this way, like butter. And it rolls this way, like ice. You know what they call that? Where I come from? Butter ice. I think the first test is just the board by itself. Okay, I'm getting really nervous about this because I'm really scared the second I step on there, it's just gonna cave. Okay, you ready? Yeah, they're just wheels made for a robot. Artificial intelligent wheels.
I think you should just go for the drop-in.
Guys, you're gonna kill the kid.
It's fine.
Oh wow, it works. It does work. World's longest power slide?
I think these are horrible for 140.
That ain't no joke, those are good.
No pop yet, no pop yet. Wait, actually, I have one more request for JD.
What?
Sideways drop in.
Alright.
Does sound pretty horrible.
Sounds like a dream come true in robot world.
It doesn't even lock in, I feel.
I was gonna say, if you do that first try,
Aaron, please do it. What do you got to do to do that?
you would have to drop in on the vert ramp before I attempt one. One of the little small wheels has come off. It appears to be just rubber.
Well done, Aaron.
You pick one thing off robotics.com and it doesn't even work.
In your defense, they look massive on the website.
They really do. What you expected and what you got. I think they only supported Jay Dizzler weight. Dang it. JD, try it again. I can't push on it at all, any direction. It went from omnidirectional to zero directional. I'm too heavy.
Oh! Well, we can add these to the list of omnidirectional wheels that have failed.
If we can do some tricks on it, I guess.
Here, let me get Nolly heel real quick.
First try, Friday!
That was a really good varial, bro.
Bruh.
That's balance at its...
At its finest. Glow to a regular heel flip. You could say that body varial was robotic. Oh no.
That's broke my ball.
Oh no.
Those are gonna be everywhere now.
What kind of robots did they build this for? Micro mini robots?
Oh!
Dang.
He's really worked on those mechanics.
And your robotic dog? Your knee's fine. Nollie flip first try. I hurt my knee jumping off a fence. Just look at that. This one's bending that way. That side's bending that way.
Oh, dude, look at that one.
Well, what else we got left on this? All right, Chris, give us a hard flip. What happened to the commitment? SK8.
SK8? I'm in.
Oh, sweeped them. Jay Dizzler and I.
You bent them. Yep. I had him first, second, third. The way I do it.
Oh my God.
Starting it off with the shove it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What?
So your last, second last. I beat trick number 2. Oh!
Jay Dizzler done the dirt. I did not expect to land that. Oh, first try? Off the nose. Dang. How did nobody get a letter on the kickflip? I guess the robot wheels are good after all.
Just need to give him a chance. What the heck?
Uzi, you're the judge. Do a pop shove at body burial. Oh, crispy?
Is that pop shove reboot? I wanted to pop it. Hey.
Okay, okay.
Well done, son.
Thank you, JD, thank you.
That looks a little blissful.
GTF, brother.
Good to fork.
I'm very glad you didn't land that because that was the weirdest varial flip I've ever
You
seen.
would have got canceled the varial flips, you would have landed that.
Take that, yeah.
He could do anything. Okay, you need to do it like that. Yes, sir.
Derek.
Let me warm up.
Dang it. My voodoo didn't work.
Yeah, one more try?
Maybe I just voodooed myself. Extra pop. Dang.
Hey, I farted. Dang it.
That smells so
I
good.
thought for sure it would have got him.
I wanted to laugh.
Any kind of fart jokes, he can't handle it.
I wanted to laugh so bad.
I was gonna say, somebody got to get a letter on this.
It wasn't me first. Down me.
Just look at this wheel right here.
After that try, JD, the GTF stands for good to fall. No, you ain't landing heel flip.
That was cold as ice.
That was a hard rhino.
Chris, I have some advice for you. Land it. Look at that, my advice helped.
I didn't want to listen to you, but thank you. Now, Aaron, all I need you to do is give a letter.
Be safe, Aaron. This might go right up the beat.
Been a while since I had a good corn dog. Fair in Germany, 1984.
Is everyone at K?
Yep.
Dang, hard flip's gonna go down and get everyone.
That's a good idea.
Come on, Gabe.
I thought he knew.
Get on that vert ramp and drop in.
Dang, sorry, Nigel.
Ankle. We got work to do today.
Glomboni. Yeah.
Come on, bruh. Switch flipper. Hot pocket, more than meets the eye.
Oh! More than meets the eye!
Ankle. We're gonna roll it that way, okay?
Count it.
There you go.
I'm counting that.
Yes!
That's a land, brother. Land.
That's good.
I'm just kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I just wanted to trigger you.
Get out of here with that.
Answer it, answer it. Put on speaker, put on speaker.
You're on camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, bye. Okay, one more for the load, then.
Sometimes love hurts.
Skateboarding Made Simple, Volume 1, trick number 6.
Aaron, you will not land this. There is 0% chance that you will land this. There's no hope. Your game is over.
I'm gonna land this and I'm gonna butter up your bacon, Cruz.
I hope you like big cut bacon!
I wish y'all could have seen what just happened right now.
That was a good heel flip, though.
I'm sorry, Nigel.
I gotta land one now. Cause I'm annoyed.
Give me the disrespect.
Stop.
We gotta stop letting Chris win all the games. I gotta start practicing. All I can see is that that ain't good going up the caboose. Tell me what to do, Glow.
I think you gotta set that foot up this more.
Champion of the robot wheels.
Can we get a final damage report?
All right, let's check the damage report. I love how some of it going that way, then that way, then that way, then that way. How does that even happen? I have no idea. I mean, I guess you could floss your teeth with it, and at the end of the day, it is good to fork. Anyways, if you guys got some wild, crazy skateboard wheels, trucks, bearings, shoes, anything, skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. Send us the pictures of what you're gonna build. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's see what you got, Braille Army. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.
Let's go.